How to check your Windows version. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to head towards settings. So you can click manually settings application from start menu or use the shortcut key window plus I. After that, once you are in settings application, from the left hand side menu go to system, scroll all the way down to go to about section. Then after you will see the details related to your window device. And there at the bottom you will also see the option of edition. So that is the version of your window. Now we also have a second method to check the version of our window. That is to simply click window plus R and the run tab will open. Simply type WinVer and click enter. Then after you will see this window on your screen and there is the version of your window device. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.